Hey everyone, it's your girl Ace's Joy. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are testing out the Tymo hair dryer. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment if you like what you see. If this isn't exactly what you're looking for on the internet or you fell into the wrong spot, troll-free zone, exit out the browser that you entered. You guys already know what it's about and what we're going to do, so let's hop into the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing an unboxing, first impressions of the Tymo Airhype hair dryer. So it's a really quick story. I have been rocking a very mighty and reliable Revlon blow dryer for the past oh my god, 12 years. Super loud, you cannot hold a conversation and use this at the same time. And it takes a while to dry. And I read somewhere that you should get a new hair dryer every few years. So I was like, yeah, I'm probably way overdue for this one. That being said, I wanted to upgrade. And so I've been looking at Tymo because I absolutely love their straightener brush. It has saved my life because I had given up on straightening my hair, literally, until I used that one. But then I saw the pattern hair dryer, which came out about a month or so ago. It's super pretty, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want that too. And they're both the same price range. They're half the cost of a Dyson blow dryer. They both run just under 200. They're $189 or so. How did I end up with Tymo? They had a flash sale on Amazon for less than $120. So I was like, I don't think I'm going to get this kind of quality hair tool appliance for this price. Okay, so when you unbox the Tymo, you're going to see a travel bag. You're going to get your instructional manual, which is very nice, very sleek. It gives you all the information you need to use the hair dryer, as well as a bunch of warnings. And then you're going to get 3 attachments. That is the concentrator nozzle. You're going to get a comb attachment. And then you're also going to get your diffuser. And so these are pretty standard general attachments. This diffuser is a little bit different because it is adjustable. So there is this little knob. And so the diffuser starts off with a shorter set of probes, and then when you slide the lever, it extends out. So this is for more volumized diffusing, and then the lower setting is for less volume. And then this is the actual hair dryer in itself. Super tiny, super light. Honestly, the cord I think is bigger than the blow dryer. In case you're wondering, side by side, this is my old Revlon and this is the Tymo. And then if you're wondering about the settings on the back, you turn it on and you can turn it to the cool shot, and then you have 2 buttons at the bottom. This one is for the intensity and this one's for the heat. And then this is the LCD screen, which will come on once we actually turn the appliance on. If you're wondering how to actually connect the attachments, they are magnetic. They hook on like that. It's really hard to push them. If you're like me, you know that these types of blow dryers, the attachments just kind of fit on the inside and they get knocked off all the time, with the slightest movement, or if you're brushing your hair too. It's I'm the person who's always in the bathroom clunk, 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 with all these loud loud things happening. But with this one, it takes a lot. You really have to grip it and pull it to disengage that magnet. With the pattern one, it actually clicks in. You have to press buttons to take it out. So I'm always in favor of blow dryers that, just really ensure that everything stays where it's supposed to be, essentially. So first, I just want to show you what it sounds like to turn this blow dryer on, okay? So as soon as we plug it in, this lights up and it says off. So it's, you know, it's obviously off. So if we turn this on, it's a lot different, right? It's quieter. You can hear me. I'd have to raise my voice, but I could talk over this. And so you see the temperature? So this bottom button, if I keep clicking it, it'll get hotter and hotter. So it's still got 3 settings. It goes all the way up to 210. And then I can go 1, 2, 3. This is low, medium, high. I already have product in my hair. My hair has been twisted up now that I've been filming, probably for about an hour, I think. So obviously this is not sopping wet hair, but it's definitely wet hair. Like I would have to let my hair air dry for at least an hour, for at least a day, 24 hours, if I wanted, you know, if I wanted to be able to actually take this out and for it to be set. I feel comfortable taking this out, and then like I said, we're going to try this diffuser once my fro is out and see what the verdict is. Okay, well, that is it. It looks like we have successfully dried the twist out. This is actually very much the look that I was going for, and there's like a couple of damp spots inside. Again, my hair is very thick. I wasn't expecting it to be 100% dry. Like I said, the smaller chunky twists in the back were about 90% dry, and the other ones were about 70-80 once I actually opened it up. But I did feel that once the twists were out, just stretching it, diffusing it, or using a concentrator nozzle, it was able to dry it pretty quickly. Like right now, my hair feels like pretty dry. I saw someone mention that they didn't like the placement of they weren't crazy about the placement of the buttons on this because they felt like they accidentally hit it while they were using it. This is actually kind of, the on and off switch actually takes a lot of intention to press. I noticed that I keep pressing it on the cool shot first and then I have to come back down. That's a little annoying, but I don't find that you can really accidentally hit this or turn it off. You can definitely accidentally change the temperature or the intensity, and I could see that being annoying, especially if you feel more comfortable holding it this way. You might end up wanting to hold it more like this or something. Definitely use a heat-proof glove before you go grabbing it there, but this is an option, you know, as well if you don't like holding it here. But I don't think the buttons are really in a bad spot because I didn't find myself gripping it this way. I also really love the fact that the size is so small because I think it makes styling on the go a lot more accessible. And that's something that probably wasn't a super big priority to me when I was thinking about purchasing one, but having the experience of it now and holding it in my hand, like I definitely, and just from traveling in the past, I definitely think this is beneficial. Like I went to an event last year where I had dried my hair like the day before and I was like hoping and praying it was dry, and I kind of ran the hotel blow dryer through it, but it wasn't like that efficient or helpful. And so my hair came out really nice, but I had always wished I could have dried it a little bit better before I took it out for the event. And I think this would have been a lifesaver if I had it, and it would have fit into my luggage. So that's another plus. Again, if you don't travel often, then it may be whatever. But if you do travel from time to time, at least a few times a year, if you go to the beach, if you go places and you get your hair wet, you may not think that you need it or that's important, but I think it's definitely something you want to consider. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Overall, I give it a thumbs up. I think that it's very well made. It seems like I can definitely get longevity out of it. And I didn't run into a lot of problems. You know, the diffuser wasn't falling off just because, you know, I pulled it through my hair or something like that. It just was a really pleasant experience to use. Even if you're in a situation where you choose or have to pay full price for it, I still think that it would be worth the full cost. There is a warranty as well. I don't know how long it is because it didn't say anything, at least not in here. It might be on like my receipt or on the website, but there is a warranty in case it doesn't work. And I just love this LED screen on the back. Like, oh my gosh, I love that. But yeah, even now, like, it's only been a few minutes and it's cooled off enough that I can touch this. I can touch the diffuser, like it's warm. I can tell that someone just used this, but it's not hot. It's not gonna burn me. Yeah, and like my hair, like I said, my hair is like dry right now, but it also doesn't feel like I got the moisture sucked out of it. You know, it doesn't feel brittle or anything. It's got movement to it. So I don't feel like I fried it. So yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed my first look, first impressions of the Tymo Airhype. If you have particular usage questions or you'd like to see it, you know, in a blown out style or straightened or a certain comb attachment, let me know, because I will be working with this more. I want to start incorporating heat back into my routine a little bit more. I hope this was helpful if you are shopping for a new hairdryer. Thanks so much. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.